Hello. If you have not heard about MCP, take a look. It's an interesting new standard that allows MLL models to get new abilities. On April 17, Microsoft has launched the Azure MCP server. Basically, with this, any application that uses LLMs and supports MCP, like Copilot, GitHub Copilot, can have access to these services from Azure. What I want to show you is how to install this and do a quick test, since in a pet project that I am doing, I'm using Cosmos DB, so it would be nice to see if it works. How to install is pretty easy. Just come to this place and copy this command. And now we go, that's the only thing you need from this block that will be linked also in the video. And now we come here to Visual Studio Code. And then we go to what it says here, show all commands. So Shift Command P, and then MCP list servers. If it's, of course, it will not be there for you. You just can type MCP semicolon list servers, and we could use also add server, but let's go for list servers. And here we have also the option add server. So I will click add server. Which type of server? Because this is just a standard IO command. We choose commands under IO, and we paste what we copied from the instructions. Press enter, and then we have to name this Azure MCP server. And do you want it for user, so it's available in all workspaces, or just for the workspace? I prefer it for my user, so it's available everywhere. Okay, now we can see that what it has gone to settings JSON, and it has added uh, the instruction that we put. It says it's running, so everything is okay. In some cases, if you don't have npx installed, then it will show here that it has failed, so you have to install npx. I will move this a bit so my image doesn't show. So now if we go to the chat with Copilot, if we click this part here, make sure you're in agent mode. We click this here. You can see that I have other MCPs like GitHub Copilot Chat, so on, and we can see that the MCP server from Azure does just all that is enabled, and all the commands are available. So in theory, I should come here and be able to ask, list all my Cosmos databases. And while this runs, you can see that it used well the Copilot instructions, that I have something, but it ran the command from the MCP server. And here is what it did. And then it tells that you have one Cosmos database, exactly that one. So list me the containers in that database. Again, we are seeing that it's using the ACMCP. Okay, and then I will ask, show me the last document from that container. And there we go. So basically what we did, we just went to show all commands, and then we search for MCP and then we can choose these servers, for example. Then we added a new server using the command from the previous, and after that, um, our Copilot has the ability to query Azure, which is very useful in some cases. Thanks for watching.